Monday, May 27. First up in the weekly report series is Quadient, an international company specializing in mailing equipment, business process automation, and customer experience management. Analysts expect its revenue value to remain flat, around €309 million. On the London Stock Exchange, the firm's securities are trading at €19.66 apiece. Voxtur Analytics, a software development company, will report next. Experts predict a significant improvement in revenue, $12.43 million Canadian dollars against a previous loss of $21.87 million Canadian dollars. Voxtur Analytics shares are unchanged at $0.0850 Canadian dollars. Tuesday, May 28. Scotiabank, the third largest bank in Canada in terms of deposits and market capitalization, will perform on the next day. Specialists predict a deterioration of the revenue item from the past $8.43 billion Canadian dollars to $8.25 billion Canadian dollars. In the Toronto session, the documents are trading at 65.7 Canadian dollars. Denmark, a Danish company that operates a chain of pharmacies across Denmark, will show results. Its revenue is likely to remain flat at around 2.51 billion Danish kroner. The firm's securities are listed on the market at 113.60 per unit Danish kroner. Wednesday, May 29. At the equator of the next working week will be the car company NIO, Chinese manufacturer of electric cars. The revenue value, according to professionals, will increase from 18.59 billion yuan to 19.81 billion yuan. In Hong Kong, the giant's shares are worth 42.15 HK dollar each. Next to present reports is HP, the American company that makes personal computers and printers. Connoisseurs are confident its revenue will climb to $13.57 billion from the previous $13.2 billion. HP assets are selling for $31.7 per unit on the New York Stock Exchange. Thursday, May 30. Costco Wholesale, the world's largest chain of warehouse and self-service club stores, will show gains. Analysts are putting forward a revenue forecast of $59.11 billion, up from $57.33 billion previously. On the Nasdaq exchange, the company's securities are trading at $793.07 apiece. Then we'll inform the market about the results of the quarterly work of Dell, an American company, one of the world's largest manufacturers of computing equipment. Experts expect revenue to deteriorate from the previous $22.32 billion to $22.17 billion. In New York, shares of the tech giant are quoted at $146.28. Friday, May 31. Chemical Laboratories, which supplies precursors for semiconductors, optical fibers, and solar cells, will report financial results before the weekend. Its revenue promises to be higher at $3.9 billion, up from past $3.3 billion. Shares of the firm can be purchased at 4,325 yen on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Rounding out the reporting marathon is BRP, the Canadian maker of snowmobiles, all-terrain vehicles, boards, motorcycles, and jet skis. Its revenue value is highly likely to rise from 2.69 billion Canadian dollars to 2.79 billion Canadian dollars. The company's securities are valued at 94.14 Canadian dollars.